everyone, and welcome to Poppy Seed Mini. Today is day 11 of our DIY mini advent calendar, where I will be showing you how to make your own 12-day mini advent calendar. And stay tuned for tomorrow as we share our last mini craft. I can't believe this is almost over. It's been so much fun, y'all. Okay, let's open box number 11. All right, let's open it up. And inside, it's the little Christmas apron that we've been wearing. If you were hoping we would be sharing how to make the cute aprons I've been wearing the last couple days, then today's your lucky day, because my mom will be showing us how to make these. To get the printable for today's project, you can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. And of course, the link will be in the description box below.
Pin your pattern on your fabric. Then just cut it out. You also have to cut a 2.5 by 2 inch rectangle for the pocket. Next, I'm going to cut into the curve of the apron. Like so. Do it on both sides. Turn over the edges and iron them down. Do this on every side. I like to do the curves first and then the top. Then I do the sides, and finally I do the bottom. For the pocket, I do the same thing. I iron down all 4 sides. I start with the top piece and iron it down. Then I do the 2 sides. And then finally the bottom. And it should look like this. I'm using ribbon for my ties. This is a 1/4 inch ribbon. I'm going to cut the neckline 4 inches. For the other 2 ties, I'm cutting them 4.5 inches. And then I'm taking a little glossy accent to stop it from fraying on the ends. After I have it all ironed, I'm pinning on my straps like so. And then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and sew all the way around it. I'm also going to sew the top edge of my pocket. Now that I've sewn around the perimeter and on top of the pocket, I'm going to place the pocket in the center. And if you need help placing it, you can always use the pattern. And then I'm just going to pin it down on the seams. And now I'm going to go to my sewing machine and sew on the pocket. The next thing you can do is you can add lace or embellishments to decorate your apron. And I'm going to be using this pretty lace that I got off of Temu. And I'm just going to cut it to the right size and I'm going to hand sew it on. I start by placing my lace on and I'm going to go from the back with my needle. And then I'm going to go back in and go to the back again. And then I'm going to start by coming back up again. And I'm just going to do this simple stitch all the way across. When you get to the end, just put your needle through and knot it in the back. Next, I'm going to take this bow and add it to the front. To add the bow, I'm just going in from the back with my thread. And I'm going to sew this a few times. And then just tie it off in the back again. And there you go.
It's really time to get cooking now. Do you have a favorite Christmas apron? We always do Cookie Day every year and invite our friends to make Christmas cookies with us. Do you have a tradition like that? Let us know in the comments down below. Okay, we will see you tomorrow for day 12 of our DIY mini advent calendar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you love making miniatures, don't forget to check out our other videos.